Hi guys, how is everyone doing? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video, I'll be showing you guys the easiest way you can wrap your samosa and spring roll. Please watch the video to the end and don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. Okay, let's go. So first of all, in the past videos, I posted how I did the lap or the wrapper from the beginning. If you go down my video, you will see it there, or I might even put a link of how I did if I remember. Then it's me now cutting it into the shapes I used to fold it. So the first one I cut them into straight, then this one I'm cutting them into four parts, as in you see the sizes. I called them, but I didn't know why. I thought my phone was still on when I was doing the one with the long one. I didn't know my battery went off, so it wasn't videoing. Then I want to check something. Even some part of this one did not show. So with this one, you can still learn something. At least I didn't fast forward the video. I did the video slowly so that anyone that watch the video can understand how you can simple food. Yeah, samosa, because I know that's where all of us are. Majority of people are having problem how to lap the samosa. So just watch the video. Just pay attention to the video. You see how I'm folding it. Once you're able to get the cut it into the shape you want. Once you get the pocket, my dear, you are gone. So let me show you. You see I'm folding it. Then you fold. You fold again. First of all, make sure the down one is properly sealed. Like this one, you not see again. So I have to reposition it again. You see it? Then it's fold, as in, then you put on your glue. The glue is made up of flour and water. You see again, see I'm doing it here. So the bottom one must seal, as in sealed, cover each other. Yes, so it's sealed now. So there's no way it will burst open or leak. That seal or gum is, or that paste is like a mixture of water and flour. So it will be sticky, it will hold it. So when it sticks, see how it is now. You open it, then put your the fillings you prepared. I've also showed the video of how I prepared my fillings. Then you put the glue again on the mouth and up, then seal it. Please don't overfill your pocket. Yes, so just watch the video. I don't want to do much talking. I wish I can just keep quiet. You just pay attention and watch the video. You see how I'm doing it. If you're able to get the down one, wrap it very well, then the up one is easier for you to do. Look at this one again. You see it? Then I brought the other one, I fold. Yes. So I got it. Then I open and put my this thing, my paste, then wrap it again. Once you're able to fold, then you open to put the paste or the glue to hold it. Then open the pocket, put the fillings, then put the glue again or the paste on the up. You see it? I fold it in. Then you put the paste or the glue. Look at it. This video, excuse me, just well explain itself. If you pay attention to the video and who I'm doing it, there is no way you cannot, as in say up your samosa. Yes, once you're able to do the wrapper, then you can easily do the wrapping. So this is me now doing the spring roll. Spring roll is so easy to do because you see it, just put it in the straight, this one. You fold small, then you put the glue or the paste by the whole side, this side and the remaining mouth. You see, you fold the other side, because the other side you still put the paste or the glue, fold, then you roll back. That's it. So spring roll is so easy to do. So where majority of us are having issue is the samosa, which I know I explained myself very well. If you think my voice is deceiving you, you can reduce the voice, you remove the voice, just watch the video gently. you will really understand this. Is so easy. I really explain it very well. I really take my time to do it small, small, so that anybody that wants to know we learn from there. So you see the way I'm doing the spring roll too. You see it? Then you roll out. You put the fillings at the top of the spring roll a bit, then put the paste or the glue by the whole side, fold the both sides small, then before you roll out the remaining one. That is it. So guys, I just hope when you watch this video, you'll be able to understand something from the way I explain it. Please, if you watch this video to the end and you pick something from there or you learn something from there, please don't just go like that. Comment, say something in the comment section. Please like the video, help me share the video so that others can still learn. And you can, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more of this and it's cooking videos. I'll be posting more of it. Please, I'm begging, please help me subscribe, like, and share this video. And at this time, I proceed to fry it. I've already heat up my oil. Once the oil is hot, I proceed to fry it. Let's just fry it in medium heat. Let it not be too high, or let not, the gas not be too high. Just medium heat. Just slowly fry, and at a time just stir it by the side so it will cook or fry evenly. That's it. It's so simple and easy if you pay attention to the details. I believe you can do it, yes, because I learned it and I watched somebody's video and I learned my own. So that now I'm teaching you guys in case you come across this video. Everything is all about learning. And if you learn, if you keep on practicing, that's why you become perfect. So I finished with the spring roll. Now it's time to fry my samosa. You see it? You just watch the video. You see those ones I fried, none of them burst open. You see the oil. If you burst open, it will show in the oil. This one is not matter of maybe I'm trying to edit or something. No, look at it. You see, even if you see it from when I'm scooping it out or anything, so this is it. Just get the pocket very well. Make sure it laps very well. You are good to go. And this is end of everything. See how it is. Very good, yummy. In fact, it came out very well. So guys, that's it. Thank you for watching this video once again. I love you all. Remain blessed. Bye bye.